Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to avoid scams in Phantom Wallet. Using a crypto wallet like Phantom gives you full control over your funds, but it also means you are responsible for your own security. Unlike banks, there's no undo button. If something goes wrong, scammers target wallet users with fake links, tokens and messages designed to trick you into giving access to your assets. And the good news is that the most scams follows predictable patterns, and once you understand them, they're much easier to avoid. First, when you open your Phantom Wallet, you can open it with a Face ID, and in the top left there's a profile icon. Tap there and go to the setting. So under here you can simply go to the security and privacy there, and over here there's option for the recovery phrase. You should never share your recovery phrase with anybody. Never enter it on the random websites. Phantom support will never ask for it. If someone gets your phrase, they can fully control your wallet and steals everything. And you can also avoid the suspicious links and websites. Scammers often create fake websites that look like a real crypto platform. Don't click like random link. Always double check URLs before connecting your wallet, and bookmark official websites instead of searching every time. And only connect your wallet to the trusted apps. When you connect Phantom Wallet to a site, check what permissions you're giving. Avoid unknown or new platform, and disconnect app you don't use anymore. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.